papi, ¿cómo estás? How, baby? Hi. Hi. How's my Pee-wee today? How's my panzón? ¿Cómo está, mi papi? And what is up, you guys? So here with Pee-wee. Welcome back to another video. Pee-wee, papi, we just like to chill on the carpet. So this week, the stock markets are going crazy and people are going crazy and we're just chilling. What up, puppy? We're just chilling. You guys, what's going on? All right, well, Pee-wee is leaving. Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a crazy day. The reason today is a crazy day is because the stock market last week was actually insane. Hey, what is up, you guys? So I wanted to give a little bit of information, a little bit of update of everything that is going on at the moment. So I wanted to talk about what's going on with the stock market and what actually happened with Robinhood on Monday, March 2nd, and what happened on the last week of February. It's a lot of things to take in. It's a lot of information that is just like crazy right now. So I wanted to make this video a quick update on what's going on. So last week, the last week of February, the whole stock market was down around 4,000 points. That's a lot of points, and it's actually never had a crisis like that since 2008. So by losing over 4,000 points, I actually personally lost over $1,000, a little over $1,000 in 1 week. That is insane. As an early investor, I was going crazy. As an early investor, I didn't know what to do in the beginning. Monday hit and I took a dip. I took a dip of $400 negative on my Robinhood account. So I'm gonna show you guys on the screen right here next to me exactly everything that happened and break it down, how I kept losing money and why I did not sell. So the reason I did not sell was because I did. At first I thought about it. I was like, okay, I was up $8,500 that Friday. Monday, I continually just, put money, I continually look at my Robinhood at 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30, and I'm already down 300 points. Already almost down 400 points by the time I'm able to be trading. So I was like, even if I would have sold, who knows if the market would have went up and who knows if the market would have went down. If I would have sold, I would have lost on the over $400. Now, did I suspect that the market was going to continue to go down during the whole week and I lose a total of $1,000? No, the market is so unpredictable. I did not know that. I did not know what was going to happen. But this is what I love about stock trading, and this is what I love about the market. Since I'm a long-term investor, I decided to just leave my money. I did during the week buy some Disney stock because Disney stock was actually kind of cheap. So I did get into buying Disney stock. Because of that reason, I ended up, buying Disney stock. Kind of, you can call it sale. But what happened here is that the stock market is actually continually went down the last week of February. So a lot of investors feared because of what's going on with the coronavirus. People are just panicked and fearful and they just started selling off their stock, which actually drove the volume all the way down. Today it went up because of the Feds declaring that they're going to possibly be cutting down rates. Now that's why the investors actually were so quick to invest. That's why investors were so quick for the Dow to go up $1,000 and were so quick to buy into the stock market, which drove the volume all the way up. Now we still cannot forget that there is still in China manufacturing and a lot of companies are still closed in China, even though they're trying to operate, but they're still closed. Now we can't also forget that Italy and other countries such as Italy and Japan are actually restricted, and you have certain companies that are actually not working in certain areas such as Disney, Microsoft, and Apple. Now we cannot forget that, and we got to continue to know and monitor that the stock market can take another turn for the worse. The Fed is actually pumping in more money into the stock market and cutting down rates in order to sustain the stock market from losing the value, from gain the stock market again in points. Now, if something like this goes wrong, then yeah, it can definitely hurt investors. It can definitely hurt a lot of companies. So you guys, what kind of companies would I suggest investing in? What kind of companies do I, now that the market went up to 1,000 points today, Can it go down tomorrow? Can it go down the rest of the week? Yes, it's always an uncertainty that we have, but things that we can, that I'm gonna actually be looking to invest in is actually in a couple of companies. And actually, let me give you guys my opinion on the companies that I'm actually looking to invest in. I'm actually looking to invest in, first of all, into Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is actually down significantly. It went down around $20 a share. That is a lot for a stock. They're having, you know, a lot of people aren't wanting to travel right now. A lot of people are not wanting to go anywhere because of the coronavirus, not wanting to travel. They're actually suspending all their, you know, their trips or vacations and a lot of things like that. Even hotels that are popular, you may want to be able to look into those and get into those as well. But Delta Airline pays a really good dividend. It's one of the most popular airlines and it's actually on sale. Now another one that is actually very popular, and it's actually Warren Buffett's, one of Warren Buffett's favorite companies, which is Coca-Cola, actually announced last week that one of their main ingredients was actually getting delayed from production because of China, because it's actually made in China. One of their ingredients in their Cokes is actually getting delayed. Now that can actually affect their demand and supply. So that's something that you can actually look into, and you can actually expect that Coca-Cola is actually going to go down as well. Now Disney as well, because they're closing parks. Now Disney is a huge company that, yes, they have their movies, they have their TV platforms, and they have their Disney Plus as well, their TV streaming, but their parks is another way for Disney to make money. That's another income that Disney has that Disney is not getting. And their Disney the Disney stock is actually relatively low. This is when you really do have to do your shopping. You definitely do have to do your research into what kind of companies, what price were they selling, what price were they at about a month ago, and what price are they now, and actually just look into what kind of prices they were at, and if it still continues to take momentum. Now if it's $1 billion company, better believe that it's still gonna, even though it can take a hit, it can still rebound later on. I wanted to give you guys this update on what's going on with the selling and why I didn't sell my stock. And it's better to just hold on and continue buying little by little and continue investing. So I hope you guys are doing that. I hope you guys continue holding on and don't panic if the stock market goes down. Be cautious and do your due diligence when it comes down to investing in the stock market. Hope you guys have an incredible week. God bless and take care, you guys. And as always, invest more than you save. All right, you guys, God bless. Take care. Peace.